Hey there, awesome friends! Are you ready for another fun science adventure? Today, we're going to talk about something that happens to everyone, no matter how old or young you are. Have you ever had the hiccups and wondered, why won't these silly sounds stop? Maybe you were in the middle of telling a story or just hanging out with your friends, and suddenly, you couldn't stop making that funny noise. Well, get ready for a hiccup adventure because today, I'm solving the mystery of why we get hiccups. We'll learn what causes them, why they happen, and even some cool tricks to make them go away. So, what exactly is a hiccup anyway? It's not just a random noise your body makes for no reason. A hiccup is actually a tiny surprise from inside your body. Imagine you're drinking a glass of water or laughing super hard, and suddenly, out of nowhere, your body makes a funny noise. That's a hiccup. It can be a little embarrassing, but it's also kind of hilarious. Sometimes hiccups come in a big group, and you can't help but giggle every time you make that hic sound. But why does it happen? What's going on inside your body to make you hiccup? Here's the secret. Hiccups start deep inside your chest with a special muscle called the diaphragm. The diaphragm is a big, strong muscle that sits right under your lungs and helps you breathe. The diaphragm is like a trampoline that helps you breathe in and out. Every time you take a breath, your diaphragm moves up and down, just like bouncing on a trampoline at the playground. When you breathe in, it goes down to let your lungs fill up with air. When you breathe out, it moves back up to push the air out. Sometimes if you eat too fast, drink fizzy soda, or even get really excited, your diaphragm gets surprised and jumps, just like if someone shouted "boo" at you. It can also happen if you swallow air, eat something spicy, or even if you laugh a lot. When your diaphragm gets startled, it suddenly jerks downward, making you suck in air really quickly. When it jumps, it makes you suck in air super quickly. This rush of air is so fast that your body has to react. But here's where it gets even funnier. Your throat's door, called the glottis, slams shut right after you suck in that air. That's when you make the hic sound. It's like your body is playing a little joke on you. Kind of funny, right? Sometimes the sound is so loud that everyone around you can hear it. But wait, why do we get them at all? What's the point of hiccups anyway? Scientists think it's our body's way of clearing out little tickles or irritations in our throat or stomach. Maybe you swallowed a crumb or your tummy is a little upset. Your body tries to fix it with a hiccup. Some scientists even believe hiccups are a leftover reflex from when we were babies or even from our ancient animal ancestors. It's like your body's own reset button. When something feels off, your body gives itself a quick reset with a hiccup. Isn't it amazing how our bodies have all these clever ways to keep us healthy and safe? And don't worry, everyone gets hiccups, even babies and grown-ups. You might even see your parents or teachers hiccuping sometimes. In fact, babies can get hiccups even before they're born. That's right, doctors have seen babies hiccuping inside their mom's tummy. So what can you do when you get hiccups? Is there a magic trick to make them go away? Some people hold their breath, hoping that stopping their breathing for a few seconds will calm the diaphragm down. Others drink a glass of water slowly, which can help reset the rhythm of your breathing and swallowing. Or you can try to scare yourself, though that last one might be just for laughs. Some people say a good surprise can stop hiccups, but it doesn't always work. There are lots of silly ideas out there, but the truth is, most hiccups go away on their own. Usually hiccups go away all on their own after a few minutes. All you need is a little patience, and soon you'll be back to normal. If your hiccups last a really long time, like more than a day, you should tell a grown-up or a doctor, but that almost never happens. But here's a super cool fact. Some animals get hiccups too. Dogs, cats, and even frogs can get the hiccups. Imagine a tiny frog going hic. How funny is that? Scientists have even seen horses, rats, and other animals hiccuping. It's a reminder that we share lots of things with our animal friends. So the next time you hiccup, just remember, you're in good company. Even your pets might be hiccuping right along with you. Alright, so let's wrap it up. Hiccups are little surprises from your diaphragm, and they're usually nothing to worry about. They're just your body's way of keeping things running smoothly. Next time you get them, just smile and maybe tell a friend you've got the hiccups mystery solved. You can even share some of these fun facts and see if your friends know why hiccups happen. Science is all about asking questions and finding answers, just like we did today. Isn't learning about your body cool? Thanks for joining me on this science quest. I hope you had fun and learned something new. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more fun facts. There's a whole world of science waiting for us to explore together. See you next time, and keep on wondering. Remember, every question is the start of a new adventure.